Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a video on how I make my family's deodorant. And this is a recipe that we've been using for the last 10 years and it is amazing and I will not go to anything else ever again. All right, right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use 1/4 of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of shea butter, and 1/4 cup of beeswax. And we're gonna melt this completely down in a double boiler. It's going to take about 5 minutes, maybe 10 tops. All right. You're going to remove it from your double boiler and make sure it's not too hot. If it is, please let the temperature cool down just a bit. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and add 1/8 of a cup of arrowroot powder and 1/8 of a cup of non-nano zinc oxide. Guys, the reason I use arrowroot powder is because baking soda is an irritant to most people. I personally do not like it underneath my armpits. It's horrible for me. Now, why non-nano zinc oxide? Because it is amazing at keeping me keeping me smelling fresh. It is a natural skin protectant, obviously because it's in sunscreen. But this will not be absorbed into my bloodstream. It will sit on top of my skin. And because it sits on top of my skin, it will protect that smell from coming up, so to speak. But I highly suggest you all do a Google search on the benefits of using non-nano zinc oxide in deodorants. All right, it's a great product. I personally like it. If you don't use it, just use 1/4 of a cup of arrowroot powder. You can also substitute and use cornstarch if you like. Here, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add in either 30 to 50 drops of essential oil. In this case, I used fragrance oil because I made this batch for my husband. He prefers fragrance oil over essential oils. And that will be a 1/2 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon. All right, your choice. Once you are done stirring, and please stir thoroughly, just know that the powders will not always 100% dissolve, which is okay. Just don't add those clumps to your deodorant, all right? But this batch here will make 2.5 tubes of deodorant. The remaining I'll just pour into a little small jar that we can use with our finger. See, look here. Yeah, there's that clump of some of the powders. Just throw that away, okay? As you can see here from the picture, this is our final product. Unfortunately, my daughter decided to shake the tubes, so it looks a little funky here, but you know, hey, it all works. All right, guys, I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Share your comments. And if you have any questions, please give me a shout out. I'll try to answer any of them for you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and God bless.